na ang superwoman ng TFC! Siya isa sa pinaka-magaganda, o diba? Maganda at pinaka-magaling na komedyante sa ABS-CBN at star ng blockbuster na may Illegal Wife! Ladies and gentlemen, Pacquiao! We the bird! Hello! Hi! Ano ba naman ito ka nabubuhat sa akin para mga di kumakain? Nakakaloka. Don't touch my bird. Move forward. More forward. Go straight. Okay, be careful because I am so precious. Be careful because what are you touching? Huh? I love it too. Okay, guys. What's your name?
Kim.
Kim?
Ronnie.
Okay. How many are you?
6.
6. Clap your hands. No, don't do that. Mamamatay ako. Okay, you can put me down. Now na. Aray ko, nakakaloka. Like that. Oy! You just touch it! My God! Don't do that to superhero, okay? If you touch it, I'll touch you. Thank you so much. Now you can kiss me, dancers. Now, come on. 1, 2. Come on. Hurry up. 3, 4, 5, 6. What? Hoy! 6 lang yun ah! Baka 8 kayo. Kumusta po kayong lahat? Lalo na yung naka-pink na hair. Hello! My goodness. Ang gaganda nyo sa init ng araw, ha? Hello! Naniniwala ba kayo na maganda ako? Tama, malungkot talaga buhay dito pag ganito kainit eh. I love you too. Yan din po ang paniniwala ko, maganda ako. Pinalaki po ako nang walang salamin sa bahay. Bawal ang kape. Kaya ganito nangyari. Anyway, Sean, is that you? Hoy, meron akong friend dito from Instagram. I just want to say hi, hello, and thank you for coming. You're so sweet. Oh my goodness, pa. Come here, baby. Hoy, basta. He's too young for me. My goodness, he's just a friend. What are you thinking, people? Don't give malice. Come. Aray ko, tumusunod. Oh, look at, oh my goodness, look at you, Pikachu. Hello. Finally, it happens to me right in front of my face and I just can't hide it. You're shaking, why?
I'm very nervous.
Oh my God, nanginginig siya. I have so many friends in my Instagram account and some of you are following me, right? Oh, alam niyo na, sa Twitter, may 2 million akong followers. Thank you so much. Lahat siya nauuto ko. Aray ko. Picture, where's your camera? Which one is your camera? Oh, there. Sarah, 1, 2. Oh, thank you so much. I'll call you later. Don't call me, I'll call you. Thank you. Ayun mga friends, mga ganyan. Cute. And now, ready na ba kayo? Kasi sila Ma'am Charo nandyan. So, andyan din sila Ma'am Malu Santos, si Direct Olive Lamasan, Mr. M, nandyan. So, syempre, malay nyo dito makakuha ng bagong artista. Pero ang hinahanap ngayon ay mga kontrabida. Alright? Yung mga goons ang dating. So, kailangan ko ng 2 kontrabida. Sino ang may sasuggest ninyo? Yung mukhang salbahe, mukhang mamamatay tao, yung mga ganun. Sino? Ha? Ayoko nang mahiyain. Bawal po ang mahiyain sa Star Cinema at Star Magic. Bawal ang mahiyain. Hindi ka nahihiya? All you have to do is to follow my instruction or else I'm gonna slap your face. Come here. Dito sa stairs, syungars. Ditong gwapo sana, syunga lang. Halika na! Init-init ng araw, pinatatagal nyo pa ang init ng costume ko ginusto ko to tanga. Come up here. And one more. I want you, come up here, my goodness. Come here, baby, come to mama. Come to mama. Later we will go to take a picture forever and ever, amen. Ayan, Diyos ko, ito mga gusto ko, yung mga ibaba-libag tanggang. I love it. Hello.
Kuya Ay.
Kuya Ay, hello.
Ano ba?
Ano pong kailangan? Sige, dito po kayo muna. So, kailangan susundin nyo na ako, director, ako yung superhero, ako na lahat. Ako utility, ako lahat, ha? Magulo. And now, kailangan ko ng isang mabait na lalaki, masunurin, na bilang kapatid ko, kunyari.
Si Ding.
What? Here, tusok kaya pa, manuno yan, turo ng turo. Nasaan? Gusto ko yung payat. Just that. Ganito na lang. I need one, gusto ko puti. Asawa ng Pinay na puti. Yung may asawa. Come here. Can you bring that gentleman to me, please? That guy with a very nice smile, with a big smile, with a small, I don't know. Yeah, him. Oh my goodness, look at him. Diyos. Binuhat parang paper bag. Kaloka. Parang stop toy lang na binuhat. Kaloka ng taon. Sinaktan nyo. Are you okay, honey? Did you get hurt? Oh my God. Are you sure you're okay? Oh, look at your eyes. It's so blue. Is that real? Are you wearing contact lens? Really? Oh, are you married to a Filipino? Where's your wife? Can you wipe her away? Hello, wife! Hello, wife! Where are you? Oh my God, you can change your mind. Just lang. Just lang. Ano lang ako? Tawag dito, inggitera kasi walang love life. Tuyot, alam nyo na. So, what's your name again, baby? William? Oh, kakalain mo, ka-class. William? Wow, ang lakas maka-prince. And you are?
Mar without a K.
Ano?
Mar.
Dito ka ba pinanganak?
Hindi po.
Saan?
Hindi
Sa Pilipinas.
Where in Pilipinas?
Sa...
What? Saan ka pinanganak sa Pilipinas?
Sa Nueva Ecija po.
Poesía. Eto na. Siyempre, save the best for last. And kuya, saan po kayo pinanganak? Pinanganak kayo?
Hindi. Taga-Antipolo ako.
Uy, kapitbahay ko! He's from Antipolo! He's my neighbor! Where in Antipolo? Hechicero, hindi alam. Kasi kung talagang totoo, you're from Antipolo, pak! Sabi mo agad, hinulugan tak. Sa mayroon? Saan po? Bermuda, sa may taas ng ano. Wow, ang taray.
Yes, I know you.
Yeah! Yung anak ko doon nag-kinder.
Salamin boy.
Tusok mo ako kung naman. Makaganon naman. Okay? So, ganito. Can you translate mo sa kanya yung sasabihin ko,
Hindi po ako sanay.
Ba't ka umakat dito? Sasakalin kita. Do you speak English? Oh my God. I love it. One time, nagpunta po ako sa France. I went to France and I was having a conversation with this young lady, a French beautiful lady. And then I asked her something. Then, can I chu-chu like that? Sabi niya sa akin, no English. Ginanon ako, no English. Eh sabi ko, it's a Thai. Hindi mo nakakapag-English. Alam mo, ikaw lang ha. Anyway, so, do you understand Tagalog?
Kahit.
Anyway, Kuya Henry, you're Henry? Ay, sino si Henry? No, Henry is my wife, Sanjo Marudo, in my my husband. In my latest movie, My Illegal Wife, it's such a big hit in Manila. chak, pak, boom, like that. So Kuya Ike will translate the situation to you because you don't know how to speak Tagalog, and so we will adjust. Loka ha? Okay, Kuya Ike, ganito. Kayong dalawang goons.
Oh, yeah.
No, yeah, ano, yun. Kayong dalawang goons.
Talaga?
You two are gonna be the bad guy, the bad boy, okay? Bad boys, okay? And he's my brother. My brother is not a pig. My brother is a stick. See, huh? Look at him like an X-ray result. Okay, so all you have to do is you're going to kidnap him and I'm going to rescue him. You're going to pack like that, pack, and I'm going to, you know, slap and check. No. I don't do that because you're still right? Alright? So you guys ready? You're ready? Just go. Help! Ate, help me! Like that!
Help me!
Oh, again. Oh, look at the garden. The garden, huh?
Look at the garden.
I love the garden. Okay, if you're ready, I'm ready. So now, lights! Sige kuya, Ike, bahala ka. Camera! Action! Sige, darating ako. Tuloy niyo lang, go! Sige, darating ako niyan. Ang hina ng electric tank ko. Yeah. Go! Bugtugin niyo! I'm coming! Hoy! What are you doing? Come here!
Where all the good men gone and where are all the gods? Where's the streetwise Hercules to fight the rising gods? Isn't there a white knight upon the fire's steed? Maybe not just in a time and I dream of what I need. I need a hero. I'm holding out for a hero till the end of the night. He's gotta be strong and he's gotta be fast and he's gotta be fresh from the fight. I need a hero. I'm holding out for a hero till the morning light. He's gotta be sure and he's gotta be soon and he's gotta be larger than life. I need a hero. Is it dead if I ask you to Would you cry if you saw me crying? Would you save my soul tonight? I can be your hero, baby. I can kiss away the pain. I will stand by you forever. You can take my breath away.
Di ang bato! Bawal ang bato! Di mo dala bato! Bato! Ang bato! Oh! Ano? Natulog na to! Natulog na kayo dalawa! Get up! Get up! Come on! Oh, haba ng buhay para magsira ulo nila. Come on! Ha? Now! You have to follow me, three you guys. Follow me, come on. Come here. We're going to sing a song for all of them.
Tila ibon lumipa, sumabay sa hangin ako. Sa dalagang nababalot ng
up. Everybody shut up now. Okay? Ay! Nasa yung mga tatlong artista? Ano na? Pakiulit? Ang bango ng pawis ko, my God. I love you. Ano to? Okay, thank you. Kakaloka kayo. Mamaya, meron pa akong mga pasabog sa inyong lahat dyan. Mamaya tayo magpipicture. I want to talk with my three stooges. Come here, guys. Thank you so much again. And now, the end is near, and so I'll face the final. English lang ako nagsasabi. Again, thank you so much. Are you happily married to your wife? Do you have any message to her? What?
Love you!
Oh, I love you, mahal kita, nakakaloka. Pero kanahiya muna bago sinabi, di ba? Just. Okay, do you have a brother? How young? Oh,
16, 24, 28, and 30.
30? Is the 30-years-old guy is single or... Is he single?
Yeah.
Where is he?
York.
Wow, okay. I'll give you my number. Thank you so much. Palapakan po natin sila. Kiss na ako. Oh, yung kiss niya may dila eh. Ito. Ito. Thank you. Ito. Yan, ang bango. Mami, ang bango niya. Amoy alkampurado. Matanda yung paghilot. Ganun. Thank you po, sir. Thank you po. Show po namin to, mga kababayan na kayo. Salamat po. Palakpakan natin. Thank you po. Nakakaloka ng tao. Nagpaga na ka. Alam niyo, sa lahat po ng mga... Andiyan ang aking bossing. Hello, Tita Maru Santos. Hello. At ka muna. Si Darna dapat ang sumisimbolo talaga sa mga Pilipina yan. Sa mga dalagang Pilipina, si Darna po ay ang simbolo ng isang totoong dalagang Pilipina. Dahil bakit? Hindi siya bulgar. Nilagyan niya ng kortina. Hindi agad kita. Ha? Sa likod? Ito? Okay, nakaipit. Anyway, marami po kami dito mga surprise sa inyo. Dahil syempre, ito po ay handog sa inyo ng TFC, the Filipino Channel. Happy 30 years sa ating Barrio Fiesta. And of course, anong tawag dito? Malabo mata ko. Meron ba tayong gusto mensahe dyan? Labo ng mata ko talaga, hindi ko mabasa yan. So anyway, handa na ba kayo? Marami kami mga sorpresa, maraming artista nandito ngayon. Kompleto po kami. Sobra. Ganyan kayo kamahal syempre ng ABS-CBN at ng TFC Channel. Lahat po ng kapamilya artists ay nandito. Ang mga bossing nandito lahat. Walang tao sa opisina. Kaya naman, are you ready?